most jobs require people to spend hours browsing on the internet to look for information, resources, or communication. Being productive for extended hours is difficult as most of the tasks are mundane and repetitive. Majority of extensions are single purpose and do not offer much functionality beyond a particular use. Browser extensions, applications that are designed as add-ons for browsers, are aimed at improving the general experience. There exists a plethora of extensions that are built for a specific purpose. Simply extensions such as dark mode or note-taking apps have a lot of clones and copies on the Chrome App Store, with minimal difference in functionality. Potential users are often at a loss to determine which extension best suits their needs. There are just too many options to choose from. Many users are simply unaware of the different types of extensions that are available, which can significantly improve their browsing experience.
All of our features were built using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. We also used Tesseract.js and OCR library to extract text from images to make the text scraper. We also used APIs from Google, New York Times, Quotable AI, and Unsplash, among others. We used Netlify and Mockflow to host some of the features and our main documentation website. We also used Lucidchart and Mockflow to create the design documents and the mock UIs. First up is the Smart tab. This displays the current date and time and also features a new search bar for better user experience. A fresh wallpaper and code is loaded each time a new tab is opened. Here we have a tile which displays the latest weather conditions in the user's location. This news article carousel features the latest and top international news from the New York Times. This tile hosts multiple features. This button opens the Game Center, which currently offers Snake, Tetris, and Breakout as options. These games can be played even without an internet connections, and an instruction page has been added for each game with appropriate directions for the player. These games have been thoroughly tested to ensure that they work properly. The instruction page can also be opened in the middle of the game using the enter key. When the game ends, the instruction page is opened again. This is a brush, an eraser, and a fill tool have been added. Color of the brush and the fill tool can be selected from here. The thickness of the brush and the eraser can also be selected and specified by the user. The user can clear the canvas using this button. These are the undo and redo buttons. This is the Pomodoro timer. The duration can be set in multiples of 5 using these buttons. This is the reset button, and this is the button which can start or stop the timer. The break duration is by default a fifth of this duration. This button redirects to the documentation website where each of the features have been explained in detail. We also have a feedback section where users can submit their feedback. This is our pop-up dictionary. If Simply type in the word that you wish to see the meaning of and click on the search button to fetch the results. Here you can see the pronunciation of the word in phonetics. You can click on this button here to listen to the pronunciation. Even if the word has multiple meanings, all of them will be displayed along with the usage. Since the dictionary is made using Google API, you can expect accurate results. This is the Task Monitor feature. To add tasks without a deadline, simply mention it here and click on this button. To mark it as done, click on it once. To delete the task, click on it once again. To add a task like this with a deadline, simply select the deadline from this button here. At the specified time, you will be notified through an alert. This feature is used to extract text from images. You can upload an image file from here. When you click on extract text, the process begins. This is the output. Let's compare it with the original image. The accuracy of this feature depends on the image that has been uploaded. This is the password generator. Here you can specify whether you need uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, special characters, or any of these in a particular combination. Here you can specify the length of your password. When you click on this button, the password will be generated and copied to your clipboard. You will also be notified of the same through an alert. You can now paste the password wherever you want.
There are many features that we wish to include but we could not, either because of technical difficulties or due to time constraints. The most notable ones that we are going to develop are custom screenshot, price tracker for online products, color picker, autocorrect, and reading mode. We would also like to work more on improving the user interface as much as possible to ensure that the users have a good experience.